Are y'all in the mood to go to Sam's Club today? Because we going. Now, we not just going for fun, even though we kind of are. We need some stuff, y'all. We need some household stuff. So I was like, oh, today is the perfect day to go to Sam's, isn't it? And it is. Anyway, I'm about to grab me a snack because, you know, we need a little snack when we on the go. Y'all grab what y'all want out of here. You know, it's going to be a protein snack. And then we got to get outside, y'all. Why we wait till the end of the day to leave the house? Like, we always do this. When will we ever learn? I don't know, y'all. But anyway, grab y'all snack and I'll meet y'all in the car. We made it to Sam's Club, y'all. We have a list. Now, there may be other stuff that jump into the buggy, but y'all ain't gonna be the ones putting it in there. It's just gonna be me, right? Y'all can get one thing. If y'all want one thing, y'all can get one thing since y'all coming to the store with me. But we have a list of the things that we need. Now, we need household items today, so let's find the list, y'all. Let's find the list and see what's really going on at the Sam's Club. Now, one thing I can tell you is everybody at Sam's Club today. Everybody's trying to get ready for school to start. I think school starts like in 2 weeks or something, y'all. And I can tell because I couldn't find a parking spot. Girl, how many times you gonna circle the parking lot? I don't know. As many times as it take, y'all. As many times as it take. Okay, so we definitely gonna try to find that wine my sister sent me, right? Premier protein shakes, that probably ain't gonna make it because it's not on sale this week. Like, why y'all don't have that on sale? Like, we need some more protein shakes. Anyway, definitely need some bacon. If they have their plug-ins on sale, we gonna get some plug-ins, okay? We need some paper towels. We need some tissue. We need some Downy rinse. And we need some disinfectant wipes, y'all. And that's a pretty long list. Now, I don't know what the budget gonna be. We're gonna give it $200, $150 if we don't find nothing but the things that we need. Fingers crossed we don't find nothing but the things that we need. Now, they may have some extra protein stuff in here, though. If I see some extra protein stuff, I'm definitely gonna throw that in the buggy. So, yeah. Anyway, y'all ready to go into Sam's? Well, come on, y'all.
You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your left.
Tell me why this buggy already getting stuck. Let's try another one. Y'all, this one got 2. Can we just get one buggy that works? We don't ask for much. I'm gonna bring the 2 out and hope for the best. Y'all, we got a buggy that was successful. Hopefully keep the same energy when we get up in here. How do we see something cute and we just got in here, y'all? We didn't even come here for this. Anyway, $18, I would never, but how cute is this little lunchbox? I like it. I don't need it, but I like it. Oh, they have these too. I feel like everything should be on sale this week since school is starting soon. Fingers crossed it is. Ooh, y'all, I see some Clorox wipes. I need some. Now, are we gonna get the Sam's Club one? I don't know. This one says $3.80 off this week, so $14.98. What we gonna do is put it in the buggy, and then if they have a better deal in the back, we'll get that one. But we definitely need some disinfectant wipes. $15 this week, and it come with how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I feel good about that. I do. All right, we got our first item that we need. If y'all have school-age kids, they have all of these Kleenexes. How many it come with? 12. You get 12 of these, and it's pretty much, I'm gonna say $15 because you know I round up. $14.44. Like school supplies be school supplying, don't it? Be all up in the pockets. Oh, I'm glad I got the one from Costco, y'all, because that Unstoppable that I got, yeah, it was $1 cheaper at Costco. It's $15.98 here. If y'all missed the sale, though, they have it for $15.98 at Sam's Club. Look at this. Okay, I don't even use Gain anymore, but the Gain Tango, $16.98 this week. Still of a deal. They say it's $3 off, y'all. I think that's a good deal. I'm already getting distracted. Where my list at? Where my list? Y'all into Halloween? Because the Halloween stuff is out, y'all. It's out. Look at this bad boy right here. Looking scary. What is he talking about? I don't know. I don't mind a witch, though. Witches ain't never that scary. Look at this. Oh, she look kind of ugly, though. Look at her. She look like she ready to do something. How many of y'all Halloween fans? I'm not really a fan. Oh, look at him. What he got going on, y'all? He's actually gonna be fall decor and Halloween decor, huh? Adorn pumpkin. Did we get the list out already? No, girl, you just be distracted. Oh, I do know we need wine. We ain't made it to that part yet, though. I think we are getting over here to the smell good stuff. What I'm trying to say, air freshener, plug-in. Y'all, we hit the jackpot. I need this, and I never get it when it's on sale, y'all. I kind of want to get 2 of them. Should we get 2 of them? Let's get 2 of them. This is the 87.5 ounce one, and I be running through this, y'all. I love a good smell good laundry. You already know it. And what's it say? It say it's $4 off this week, so we need 2. We do. We need it. We need it. When will it be on sale again? I don't know. We ain't gonna wait. Just know that the Downy Rinse Cool Cotton This one had your clothes smelling so good, along with the Unstoppables. So you need both of them. You need both. But anyway, let's get one of these or two of these. Is that $200 yet, y'all? Things is adding up quickly. So let's make sure to take this off the list, y'all. Because once we get the stuff off the list, we out of here. And you know we telling the story. We never out of here. We never out of here. But that's what we want. Okay, let's put a little check on there. Got it. Tissue, paper towels, plug-ins. That's what we need in the household area. And then we go over there to the bacon. We're gonna see if they have some new protein. Y'all, look at these refrigerators. I wish I had a place to put it, y'all, and I don't. But the beverage refrigerators, $199. Now that's a steal of a deal, and they don't even say it's on sale, y'all. I bought a gift for somebody before, and it was like $250. So if I would have got that one, I could have saved $50. I do not feel good about not saving $50 that day. Y'all, we made it over here to the air fresheners or the plug-ins. Where is mine at, y'all? Now look, I want to get this because it's $10.61. It come with 9. It's $3 off this week, okay? But this is not the smell that I like. Oh, I think this is the smell I like though, y'all. This is the smell I like. They have it. I'm getting 2 of these. This is a good deal. I'm getting 2. So let's get that one. And let's get this one. I can't believe I got it on sale, y'all. It's been so many months since I got this on sale. It's been costing so much. I had to get it off Amazon regular price, y'all. I don't even know. I just know I needed it. But now we have at least 18. I feel real good about it. Are you just buying stuff in doubles today, Roseland? Yeah, apparently I'm feeling real good about my pockets today. Let's take that off the list, y'all. Did we say we were going to get 2? No, we did not. Are we getting 2? Yes we are. Okay. I'm gonna go check and see how much the Sam's Club disinfectant wipes are, because if it's a better price, the Clorox gotta go. Like, the brand don't matter. As long as it's not Dollar Tree, we good. Look what we have here, y'all. And you know what? They put it right beside each other. I love them for that. So this is the one we have in the buggy right now for $14.98. It come with 5. It says 425 count. And then here go the good old Sam's Club one, the Members Mart, 312 count, $10.98. It's giving you getting the $10.98 one, y'all. It's giving this is the one. I like this one anyway because it's like rough, and also it has a lot of liquid on it, so we get this instead. She got to go back. She just name brand, that's it. Look at us and save $4. That's 5. We didn't save $5. I feel real good about it, especially since I'm buying in doubles today for some reason. Have y'all bought the Ninja Slushy yet? Y'all, it's $209. I feel like it was $250, right? It was something like that, almost $300, but they have it on sale. Look at there, $209, $60 off. Wow, I feel real good about that. If you into making slushies or little mixed drinks, you might want to come to Sam's Club. When does this sale end? It ends on August the 12th, y'all. So if y'all ain't got one and y'all want one, they got it. I don't be making frozen drinks at home. I just can't deal with all the ice, but it's always a fun idea. Who need a slushie machine? Oh, what is this, y'all? I don't know what it is, but it's so cute. What in the world is this? Oh, it says Margaritaville. This is for margaritas, $3.99. It's giving my Dyson vacuum. But anyway, look how cute this is. If you're having a party, you see that? You can have 3 different flavors. That's cool. That's really cool. You'll really be the life of the party if you bring that, huh? You would. That's so cool. Let's move on, because we're not giving up $400 for no darn margarita machine. Is it safe to eat lettuce again, y'all? Because I'm about to get me a bag of salad, because I can make me a little, you know, the little real good chicken bites. Yeah, I can put that in a salad. I've been wanting a salad, and I almost ordered one from during Uber Eats one day, and I was like, girl, get it together. You know you don't do that, and I don't. Let's go ahead and get a bag, y'all. Let's just go ahead. I kind of want 2 bags, but I feel like I'm pushing it with that, girl. You know you ain't gonna eat salad twice in 1 week, you're not. Anyway, I feel like this went up. It went up like 40 cents. Anyway, $2.94, but this is my favorite one. The Southwest chopped salad. Hold on. Oh yeah, this is the one. I was about to say chopped. I'm thinking about nuts, but no, it has those little chips in it. 11 grams of carbs, so 9 net carbs. This is not a good thing to have. Don't have this, y'all, but I'm gonna get it. I'm in maintenance. I'm gonna get it. Because sometimes you just need something different. And hopefully it's safe to eat lettuce again. Because y'all, I'm over here at the bakery. And I don't know if they're cooking fresh cookies or what. But it's smelling good. It's smelling so sweet and good. Let's move on. Y'all, we made over here to the wine. And my sister, she sent me a picture of the wine that we supposed to be looking for. Also, I'm going to look for the wine that we had seen in Mexico City. If I find the one I seen in Mexico City, that's the one we gonna get. But if I don't, we're gonna try the one my sister suggested. Cause girl, not you trying to be an adult and drink wine. Like, I guess I am. I don't know, y'all. We'll see. I think I ran into it. I wasn't even trying to. I'm like, where is it? It's right in front of you. This is the one my sister suggested. She said that it does not taste super cherry either. It's just good. How much is this one? Oh, yep, that one's in the price range, y'all. $8.48. I feel good about trying this out. We got $9. Why always round up? I just do it. How much y'all think that is so far? 100. Did we make it to $100 yet, y'all? I feel like we just went to too many stores this week. But guess what? This is not the only store we're gonna go to this week. So I don't even know what to tell y'all at this point. We just gonna have to make it work. Put it in the budget. If you're not a wine drinker like me, this one is so good. And I would get this all the time if the acid reflux of it all wasn't killing me. I don't know if the acid reflux gonna kill me with that other one either, but we still gonna try it. Look at this. The Riscato. It's so good. And it's only $10.84 at Sam's Club. Now I think it's $12 at Kroger, so this is still of a deal. This is so good though. It's so good. It's sweet red wine. It's the only one that I love. Anyway, what else do you love? Getting the rest of the stuff off the list. We need paper towels and tissue. I can just remember that off the top of my head. Oh, and bacon. And bacon. Let's get the paper towel and the tissue now and then go over to the freezer section and see what happens. We don't need anything at the freezer section. We don't even have room in our freezer. But you know how we do it. If we see it and it's something new or if it's something old that we love, we throw it in the buggy. And you know how we was in the car talking about we ain't gonna throw stuff in the buggy? We be lying. Y'all, we getting Old Faithful, the Sam's paper towels, 15 rolls, 150 sheets. How many sheets and how many rolls did Costco have? I can't remember, but I still like these better, y'all. I don't know, it feels better quality, even though it really don't matter. I be taking so many paper towels down at once, it's crazy. Let's just drag one of these down. This will do. Now where is it gonna go? I guess under here. Tissue, where's the tissue gonna go? I guess on top of this. It's time to go, y'all. Buggy full. The buggy is full. Abort mission. Oh wait, is tissue down there? I don't think I bought tissue from Sam's. Yes, I have. I'm lying. I've only bought tissue from Sam's. Ever since I got tissue from Sam's, I stopped buying tissue everywhere else. Has the tissue always been $24.76? Because I don't feel good about it. I don't. Is there any other options? It's not. Let's just grab it, y'all. What can you do? What can we do at this point? We're already here, right? Y'all, the buggy is full, so it means it's time to go. Meanwhile, the tissue is over here in the frozen foods area, so girl, it ain't time to go. You know what? I don't see nothing on sale on this aisle, so we about to leave. Hold on, what's that? Oh, I thought it was our chicken that we let throw in the air fryer. No, that's not the one. Moving on. Y'all, we made over here to the bacon section. And, oh, $11.87. It's not on sale, but it sounds like a good price to me. Let's see if we're going to pick a good one this time. Because you already know we don't know how to pick our bacon. We just be hoping for the best. I don't know if this is a good price or not, but I like Sam's bacon. How can you tell if it's a good one? I don't know. Last time I got the Costco bacon, y'all, I don't know. Did they forget to season it or what? But I was like, from now on, we're getting Sam's bacon. We can't. We can't. Let's check our list, y'all. Did we get everything we needed? Because it's given we got more than we needed. Okay, paper towel, check. Tissue, check. Bacon, check. Wine, check. We're going to go over there to the Premier Protein Shakes, but it didn't say it was on sale. Hopefully they surprise us. If they do, mama get one too. And you know what, y'all? That is it. Y'all want to see the damage so far? Because it's looking like a damage. It's looking like a problem. It's giving a problem, ain't it? But you know what? Technically, I didn't throw a lot of extra stuff in here. Just that salad mix and the doubles. I didn't come in here for the doubles, but what can you do? What y'all gonna guess? $200? I don't want to go over 2. I want it to be $150, but I never know. I never know, y'all. Let's go see if the protein shakes on sale. Y'all, I found something else that we needed. Y'all know how I love a fajita seasoning. Y'all know how I pretty much only season with fajita seasoning. And y'all, we down to like the last little bit of it. I've had that thing for like a year, so I feel good about it. Anyway, we gonna get another one just in case they decide to stop selling it. It's $9.98 and it's worth every penny. They could really go up $1 and I would still buy it because I love this. If you're saying, Roseland, you can season with more than fajita seasoning. I can't. Now I know what y'all do in y'all kitchen. I know y'all be hooking it up, but in my kitchen, we just gonna fajita season it and we gonna move on. It has all the seasoning we need. Okay, we haven't made it to the protein shakes yet, y'all. So let's go do that so we can come out of here. We done already added $10 more to the buggy. Like, why? Why you like this? Y'all, this is not the week for protein shakes because it's regular price this week. $26.64. And this is me and Mama stuff. Mama want the cafe one. I want the caramel one, but we're not getting what we want this week because it ain't on sale. They're gonna have to come correct with the prices. And if they don't, we'll just get it from Amazon. How come y'all didn't tell me to scan and go? We at Sam's, we always need to scan and go. Then we'll know if we're going over budget. Anyway, I'm about to scan and go this stuff, and y'all can guess in the comments how much y'all think it's gonna be. I think $200. Please don't be over $200. Please be $150. Fingers crossed I'm right.
I've been alone for what seems like.
How much do y'all think we spent? So far, not $200. So I feel real good about it. I do. Hopefully it let me see it because we have that wine and we need some identification. They need to check identification and make sure we old enough for wine. Cause girl, I guess I ain't never bought wine before here. Cause I ain't never had to put my date of birth in there. Okay, let's see. Y'all, guess how much we spent? Guess. Look at that, y'all. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? $148. $148.43. I said it was gonna be $200. I was hoping for $150. I feel good about it. I did. Anyway, let's get out of here, y'all. I'm gonna meet y'all in the car.
Forever, try to hold it together, but I'm losing.
Y'all, I'm so happy I have this little net. It's so helpful. I don't even think about getting like a little Sam's box or anything. You know, like the little boxes to put stuff in. No need, girl. I can actually take this whole thing out into the house. Do I do that? I don't think I do. I'm gonna try to put it here like Mama did, and hopefully my stuff don't break. Girl, stop trying to do like Mama. Mama know what she doing. I don't know if all this gonna fit in here. What if paper towels gonna go in the back seat? I don't know. It might go back here, y'all. Hold on. Do not underestimate the monster. I'm saying that, but girl, hold on now. What does that look like? Look like it fit, don't it? Look like it fit. Y'all, that door Mazda be loading up some stuff, huh? I feel good about it. I do. Y'all, I feel real good about our purchases. I do. Girl, you got under budget today. I said 150, huh? I was like, I really don't want to go up to 150. Got to 148. Girl, I don't know how we did, y'all, because we was getting doubles. And you know what? It's probably because y'all wasn't throwing extra stuff in the buggy. That's probably what happened. We did good. We did real good this time. But anyway, it's super hot outside, y'all. Y'all already know that. Y'all already know. Everybody's hot for everybody. I already know it is. It's just 100 for us, so you know it's not too bad. But anyway, Sam's did us good today. They did. And you know what? Between Costco and Sam's, I'm leaning towards Sam's, y'all. I really enjoy Sam's. I enjoy being in there and giving them my money. I do. But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, hype, and also hit the notification bell so you know every time I post. I love y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.
Even the house, sometime before 3, Spark loaded me
We have
up.
to have one dirt road per day at
No
least.
dirt
We
road
have to.
fees. She gon' get 7 minutes. Find a deal on a cruise. Take a solo trip to Bali. She'll show you that too. Like. Share. Got the good job.
I'll meet y'all
I'll
over there.
meet you over there.